got out here making all this damn noise? Pulled up today. Look who pulled up today. Killing the mosquitoes. Appreciate it. Damn self-trade. Bogus. Old money. Old money. That bitch still clean. Suede roof. Part master in the building. Y'all need some parts, you better holler at him. He might be high as you have pussy, but he got him. Sit up. That bitch up. What's wrong with it, dog?
Wiring, got him straight though.
Wiring. Blow that bitch out. Let me finish. Let me get up in this motherfucker. Bam, that bitch still clean. They say I go too fast on my videos. Let me slow it down for the ass then. He clean. Parts master clean. It only been done how long?
Shit, since 2012.
In 2012. It's still clean, man. Some people take care of their shit. Some people take care of that one-piece suede roof up, though. To the matching seatbelt. Sam Trey. What the hell is this under here? 350? 305?
572 was a good head.
572. Some good heads on her. Said it cut loose. Is it? Parts master said you need anything for a don't. Look him up. He might be high as giraffe pussy, but he the only one with it. Huh? What'd you say, Parts? What'd you say?
No, you know how we do it, baby.
Live and direct, man. Loading it back up, take it back home. Clean up under that. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for me, man. Tell your mama and your aunt. Hit that button.
A tunnel cover.
Mm-hmm.
I put it on there.
So water don't fuck with it?
Yeah, nah, water don't fuck with it. It's waterproof.
Okay. Don't call me. Call him. I don't have any parts. He got them. Parts master. Look him up.